Hi, in today's video, I'd like to demonstrate the NAViKS remote start for the 2017 and newer Discovery. If you have a different Range Rover, a different Jaguar, we have a solution for you as well. Please make sure to visit NAViKS.com. On this particular vehicle, you would have to press lock, unlock, and lock, and the car will start. You can also start the vehicle from a drone app, Smart Start, or a Linker app if you wanted to use your smartphone. Now that the car is running, we just pull on the door. Press on the brake. And there we go, the remote start is off. We can now drive off on our car.